Been a long, long road, but tonight I'm gonna chase it. We off to the races.
So I'm beginning the process of assessing the damage and seeing how bad it actually is. Just a quick walkthrough of everything that I've found so far. This door, it's obviously pushed out. The curtain airbag definitely, destroyed the headliner. That airbag, the windshield, and that's just the interior, which isn't terrible. Fender, obviously, A-pillar definitely got pushed. It did crumple the roof. Some of these are body line, like this here is a body line, but it did crumple the roof. And right now, so I had some trouble getting the hood off, but I did get the hood to come off. I disconnected the hinges and then had somebody pull on the hood release for the latch, and I just pulled up and it came right off. I'll take that off in a second. I am in the process of taking this radiator support off. Everything still hurts from the accident. Yeah, it's not a good time. Actually, here, let me show you what crumpled on this. Yeah, here, right here, this whole part here crumpled. Yeah, sunroof all around there. So not a good time. Not a good time at all. Obviously the airbag. Kept me safe. I'll give it that. Definitely did a good job there. It doesn't leak, surprisingly. Like, it rained all week, and while it was sitting at the tow yard, it did not leak. Doesn't smell musty in there. There's no water anywhere, so I'm actually very surprised at that. I'll be putting out more update videos the farther in I go, and the more I find, I'll document more. But for right now, I did get it back, and I just kicked my gun over. Whoops. So yeah, so I will be posting more and more updates the farther in I go.
Been a long, long road.